Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we've got a mouth-watering recipe. A sizzling beef sirloin steak smothered in a rich and flavorful mushroom sauce. Let's dive right into this culinary journey. We've got these beautiful beef sirloin steaks. Seasoned generously with a mix of salt and pepper on both sides, these steaks are ready to hit the pan. In a hot pan over medium heat, I've added a generous amount of oil and a pat of butter for that extra richness. Once the butter melts into a golden pool, it's time to introduce our star players, the seasoned sirloin steaks. Cooked to perfection, each side gets about 10 minutes until they're beautifully golden and brown. Take them out, and in the same pan let's sauté some diced onions and minced garlic. After a minute, toss in the mushrooms for that earthy flavor and continue sautéing until the mushrooms are tender. Now, let's prepare the magic sauce that will take our steaks to the next level. In a mixing bowl, we've combined beef broth, Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, and heavy cream. A perfect harmony of savory and creamy goodness. You will find all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. This flavorful concoction joins the party in the pan, creating a bubbling cauldron of deliciousness. Bring it to a boil, then return the steaks back to the mix. Lower the heat, then cover the pan and let it simmer for 30 minutes. To make sure we're on the right track, test the sauce's consistency. If it coats the back of a spoon and holds, you're good to go. And there you have it, our heavenly beef sirloin steak with a luscious mushroom sauce. A symphony of flavors that will make your taste buds sing. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary adventures in Heaven's Kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking!